this video, we will discuss the meaning of each system status that is shown on your Aqua Alert app's homepage. On the lower center of the homepage screen, you'll see an icon that shows the status of your system. Notice that it states "in service." That means that your softener is currently softening the water. When your water softener initiates a regeneration, the status will now change to advancing to brine. Once the water softener arrives at the brine draw cycle, the status will change to what is seen here. During this cycle, the control valve draws the brine from the salt tank. Once the softener has completed its brine draw cycle, it'll then advance on its own to the backwash cycle. Once the backwash cycle is complete, the softener will advance to the rinse cycle. During this cycle, the softener is rinsing out any possible excess salt to the drain. Once the softener has completed rinsing, it'll then advance to the refill cycle. During this cycle is when the water is placed back into the brine tank. Once it has completed filling the brine tank to the appropriate level, it'll advance back to the service position. And then the icon that shows the status of your system is changed back to "in service." Your water softener has now completed a regeneration and is now ready to provide soft water again.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.